Hey everybody, I want to talk to you today about factorising. Firstly, I want you to look at the top of the screen here where when we multiply out a bracket, so if we have a number outside a bracket, we're going to call it A, and two terms inside the bracket, B and C. If we multiply out a bracket, we get A times B, which we write as AB, plus A times C, which we write as AC. Now we can also go in the reverse direction where if we have an expression AB plus AC, we can go in the reverse direction. If we notice that A is common to both, or A is a factor of both expressions, then we take that factor out, and that process of going in the opposite direction where we take a factor out and rewrite the expression with a bracket is called factorising. Let's move to some examples. So if I'm asked to factorise 3x plus 6, for example, what I do is I look at both terms here, 3x and a 6, and I say, what can divide both into 3x and 6? And the answer here is 3. So 3 comes out as a factor. And what I do then is I open a bracket and I work in reverse. What I do is I say, first of all, what am I going to put in here inside the bracket? So if I multiply it by 3, I get this term 3x. And the answer there is going to be x. And then I look at the second term, which is a 6. So I say, what do I multiply the 3 by here to get the answer 6? And that would be a plus 2. And the good thing here is that you can check straight away by multiplying out the bracket and checking that you get what you have on the left here. So I can see 3 times x is 3x and 3 times 2 is plus 6. So I know I'm correct. Let's do a second example with a minus sign. Let's say 2x minus 10. So again, what I do is I look at the two terms here, 2x and minus 10, and I ask myself what divides into both 2x and 10, or what comes out as a factor. Now 2 goes into both, so I bring 2 out as a factor, I open the bracket and work in reverse again. So I say, what do I multiply 2 by here to get the term 2x? That's going to be x. And what do I multiply 2 by here to get the minus 10? That's going to be minus 5. And that's the factorisation complete. I can quickly check 2 times x, 2x, 2 times minus 5, minus 10. So I know I'm correct. Third example, let's change if we had something like 8a plus 10b. So we're looking at the letters a and b instead of x here. So I look and I say, what divides into both 8a and 10b? Well, if I look at the numbers 8 and 10, 2 go into both of those. So I take out 2 as a factor. I open a bracket and I say, what do I multiply 2 by in here to get 8a? That would be 4a, because 2 times 4a gives me 8a. And then for here, I need to put in what I would multiply 2 by to get 10b. And that would be 5b. So if I quickly check then, I can see by multiplying back, I've got 2 times 4a, which is 8a, plus 2 times 5b, which is 10b, so I know I'm correct. Just going to finish off with x squared plus 3x, which we sometimes see asked a lot in exam type questions. And if I look at both the terms here, I can see that x is a common factor, so it comes out as a factor. And again, I say, what do I multiply x by in here to get x squared? That would be x. Plus, what do I multiply x by here to get 3x? And that would be simply 3. And if I multiply it back, I get x times x, x squared, x times plus 3 plus 3x.